Hey guys, it's Tom Maxel here, Sweet Manufacturing, Springfield, Ohio. We're at the new Harbage Farm site where we're showcasing some of our equipment. What you're going to see here behind me is they're about to dump this grain truck into the system. Here at Brian's place, we increased their capacity and lowered their unloading time. They were unloading a truck in 20 minutes. Now, through our sweet equipment, they're unloading a truck in just over 8 minutes. Depending upon how fast they move, they could get that down into a little over 7 minutes. So what you see behind me here is our 2017 Incline Flite-Veyor with a dump hopper underneath the grate. It's loading our ACE2 model elevator, which then is taking the grain up to a dual inlet swing flow distributor where the grain is distributed through all of the grain bins and the dryer. The system is set up where the truck can unload while the dryer is running, and the dryer will accept all the capacity that it needs, and anything that's over the capacity of the dryer will then bypass back into the wet bin. It'll cycle from the wet bins back into the 2017 Incline Flite-Veyor through the ACE2 leg again into the dryer. Then once it comes out of the dryer, it goes into our Duke 2 model elevator, where it then goes back up to that swing flow distributor and over into the storage bin. From the storage bin, they have the option to do a gravity load out down to a certain point. Anything below that point then goes through the gates back through the auger into the ACE2 elevator again, where it's elevated up and into the load out spout. Thanks for joining us here where we're unloading and filling the bins at 7,800 bushel per hour and drying and going to storage with 3,800 bushel per hour. If there's anything that we can do to help you on your farm, our contact information is found on our website at sweetmfg.com. Thank you and have a nice day.